Every year, Apple has a new chip ready for its latest iPhones, but the A20 Pro chip for this fall's iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone Ultra sounds like it could be extra special. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. You can always bet on Apple to offer improvements in its latest generation chips, but some years bring bigger upgrades, and the new A20 Pro chip is expected to be a standout. And that's because the A20 Pro, Apple will use TSMC's new 2nm process for chip fabrication. The switch to 2nm from the current 3nm process means A20 Pro will be able to offer more power and run more efficiently within a similar sized chip footprint. Every time there's a notable change in fabrication technology, that's why Apple works years in advance to secure TSMC's most cutting-edge offerings. It helps the company maintain an edge in the chips, not only for iPhone, but also iPad, Mac, and more. Apart from the gains of 2nm, A20 Pro is also expected to have a packaging innovation called Wafer-Level Multi-Chip Module for its iPhone processors. WMCM allows different components, like the SoC and DRAM, to be integrated directly at the wafer level before being diced into individual chips. In other words, Apple's next-gen chip won't just be smaller and more power efficient thanks to M2, it'll also be physically closer to its onboard memory, enabling better performance and potentially lower power consumption for tasks like AI processing and high-end gaming. Speaking of AI, A20 Pro is expected to be good at AI tasks, which is no surprise since iOS 27 is heavily AI-centric. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.